Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from Truist Bank to Cash App. So it's really easy. The first thing that you will have to do is open your Cash App. So you will begin by locating the Cash App on your smartphone, and then you will tap the icon to open it. And then you will access your profile. And after that, once the app is open, you will look to the right corner of the home screen to find your profile icon. And again, click that, and this icon typically resembles a silhouette or a circle like this. Um, yeah, like this. So what you will have to do after clicking that, you will just tap on it, so that you will be able to actually access your account settings, and then you will be redirected here. So what you will have to do is link your Truist Bank account, and then after that, in your account settings, again, you will see that, and then you will select that option, and then you will be prompted to enter your Truist Bank account information, and then you will just have to follow the on-screen instructions to securely log into your Truist Bank account and establish the link. Then after that, you will just have to add your cash. And after linking your bank account, you will press the back button or tap the house icon to return to the Cash App home screen. Here you will find the Money tab, which may look like a bank or a dollar sign icon depending on the version of the app that you're using. You will just have to tap on it to proceed to the next step, and then of course enter the amount. Within the money section, you will see an option to add cash. You will just have to tap on it, and a numeric keypad will appear. So it should look like this. And yeah, that's basically it. And you will have to use it to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer from your Truist Bank account to your Cash App balance. And finally, you will just have to confirm the transfer. And with the amount entered, you will just have to press the add button to initiate their transfer. And then you will be prompted to confirm your identity, which is a security measure to protect your account. And you can do this by using your Touch ID if your device supports it, or by entering your PIN code or password. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.